Communication tips. Many people who are deaf, deafblind, late deafened, or hard of hearing have some remaining hearing or vision that they can use to gather information and communicate with other people. Here are some things that you can do to communicate more effectively with someone who is deaf, deafblind, or hard of hearing. Making the most of remaining hearing. Don't assume that the person can hear and understand you just because he or she is wearing a hearing aid. Ask the person what you can do to make communications easier. Remember, he or she is the expert. Eliminate background noise as much as possible. Close the door. Turn off the television. Ask for a table in a less crowded area of a restaurant, workplace, or social gathering. Ask the person where he or she would like to sit. This allows them to control their environment as much as possible. Look directly at the person. Maintain eye contact and don't cover your mouth or eat or chew gum while you're talking. Speak clearly, slowly, and loudly, but don't shout. If the person doesn't understand you, rephrase your message. Stick to one idea at a time. Try to keep your sentences short and to the point. Use gestures, facial expressions, or other kinds of nonverbal communication to help get your message across. Get the person's attention before you start talking. If the person has some residual hearing, you can say the person's name. Otherwise, tap the person on the shoulder or knock on the table. Wait until the person acknowledges you or makes eye contact before you begin. Check in with the person to be sure that he or she understands what is being discussed. Allow time for the person to respond. Don't rush to fill the silence. Making the most of remaining vision. Many people who are deafblind have some residual vision. You may find these strategies helpful. Choose a well-lit space. Ask the person if lighting is acceptable or should be adjusted. Make sure the light is shining on you, not in the person's eyes. Sit close enough for the person to see your face. Don't stand or sit in front of a bright window or light. This may make it difficult for a person with limited vision to see your hands, lips, or facial expressions. Wear solid colored clothing that contrasts with your skin tone. If you have lighter skin, wear dark clothing. If you have darker skin, wear lighter clothing. This will make it easier for a person with limited vision to follow ASL signs, gestures, and also to be able to focus on your face. Identify yourself. Say the person's name when speaking to that person in a group situation. Communicating in writing. Communicating in writing is often a good option. When possible, use a computer, cell phone, or mobile device so you can adjust the brightness, type font, and increase the font size. Use the Notes feature or an app on a cell phone or mobile device to communicate in writing. Use a dark, broad tip marker and white or yellow paper. Always print your message. Block letters work best. Get to the point. Use diagrams and simple words and phrases. Remember, ASL is the native language of many people who are deaf or deafblind. They may not be proficient communicating in other languages. You will find more communication tips and strategies on the website.